Hi there and welcome back. Just a quick flip through today. It's we'll call it a bonus video. This is a new kit. It is up in Etsy and it's been up in Patreon for 3 or 4 weeks now. It's called Rose Tea. So as you can imagine, it's got roses in and it's got teacups in, and I think it's got a few cakes and things. It's a 35-page kit on Etsy. It's a 40-page kit if you buy it from the Patreon shop, and there's freebies on Patreon. 1, 2, I think there's 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 freebies, which are you know, can be collected from Patreon. At the moment there is 371 pages, you know, full-size pages of freebies on my Patreon, and yeah, so if you just want to go along for, you know, 1 month, pick up all the freebies, that is absolutely fine. So let's start with the freebies. So we've got a double sheet here. You can obviously use that as a page, or you can cut it down. You can obviously do this 2 to a page as well and have it as like little it would then be like journal cards. So that's that one. We've got another journal page. Obviously I've not cut round the edges and I've not printed on the back. I've just printed it out to show. Another full page which you could you know, use as a page or use to make a ephemera. A lovely candy striped full sheet. Again, you can use it as a page or to make things. Then we've got these like faded kind of wallpapery pages. There's quite a few in the kits. They're all different shades of pink and different backgrounds, but maybe on camera they will look quite similar. Then we've this one, which you can definitely use as a page, or you can tear around them and use them, you know, in your projects. You could make your topper for your journal out of one of those, or you could make that into a pocket or a journal card. And if you obviously print it 2 to a page or 4 to a page, you'll get smaller ones of that. Oh, there was 10 freebies, sorry. I thought there was 10. Then we've got a page of, photo frame type things. There's these edges on them. You can use those, you know, cut it out and use that bit to use it as some kind of flip up, or, you know, it can flip that way, flip that way. These ones would probably have to go that way, but I do that quite often. So that's that page. And then we've a page of tags. We've got 2 with the wallpapery, and it's got a sewn edge and like a metal top, and then these invoicey ones, and then there's just some roses on there. So they are the freebies. They're already up on Patreon now, and like I say, they have been for a few weeks. So if you buy the kit from the Patreon shop, it's a little bit cheaper, and you always get 5 extra sheets. Maybe on some of my older kits, especially the collaboration kits, what I did with Ninian at Collage Type, there's probably not exactly 5 you know, extras. They all was different quantities, but since I've been doing them myself, I've been trying to do them 35 pages and 5 extra ones. So with a page of either fussy cuts or rip outs, I've got a lovely tea set and teacups, coffee pot, and then some cakes, macaroons and cutlery. Again, you can obviously print these 2 to a page, 4 to a page to get lots of different sizes. I like to do them quite big because I think then, you know, like I say, if you print them off at 2 or 4 to a page, then you've got lots of things to play with. Then we've some roses and some leaves. We've got some just the heads and then some in baskets. Sorry about that glare. Let's just put that there. We've got 2 little files here, which you can make into pockets if you wanted. They can be flipped down things. You can sew them in your actual journal, or you can make small notebooks with them, or just have them as journal cards. So I love that bottom one. And then one that you can decorate yourself if you so want. Another double page, which again you can obviously use as a page, used to make ephemera, or print several you know, sizes. And then we've this wallpaper one. So that's the 5 extra that you get there. So this is the 35 page kit. So we've got a couple of portrait ones. Got this lovely music one. So great for backing things, or you know, if you're doing a taller project. Or you can obviously print it 2 to a page, and then you would have a journal page, you know, like the other double ones that I've just shown you. And great for, you know, ripping up for collage and things like that, making ephemera. And we've got this one, another tall one. Got another one of the double ones. Got a plainer one there, so you could either, you know, you could decorate it, or you could definitely write over the top of it. Then we've got an invoice here and some roses down the bottom. We've got this music one with the teacups and the roses, and lots of spilt tea on it. This lovely one with the roses down the middle, so when you fold it over in your journal, you've obviously got some roses on that side and on that side. Do like doing the middle ones, so I've done 2. Probably be better that way. So again, that and that. And it's on a lovely like tea stained. It's got this nice crease down here with bit of tea there. I've done all the tea stain ones on the same one. So that's another journal page. We've got teacups and flowers. Tea set. Then some lovely flowers there. And then that one going up the side of that. So lots of journal pages for you writers. Then we've got these with the, like the, I don't know, not bouquets, but arrangements, I suppose. So you've got that and that. You could definitely tear that off and make some kind of corner pockets. Or just use it as a journal page. Definitely use it portrait as well. Same with this one. Obviously got a lot more on that side, and then that on that side, and that one. And that one. Then we've got some full ones. These are all different. They may look, you know, very similar, but they're different. So we've that one and that one. Again, use them as pages or to make your ephemera. nice for, you know, making as your first page of your journal. That one, got some little daisies in there. Then we've got like a William Morris type print here, which could definitely be used, you know, either way. This one's got a very faint like invoice in the background, and you could definitely use it portrait. Another couple of these, again, they're all different. And then we've got a nice plainer pink one with just some, you know, markings on it. So they are all the pages and papers. Seems quite a lot to say that it's 35 pages. Then we've 2 envelopes here. Again, obviously you can do them 2 to a page to get some different sizes. You can use these for pockets. You can obviously sew them in your journals. You can make them into little notebooks. Got some little folio type things here. You obviously don't have to use the pieces as they've been created for. You can, you know, do as you want. Got some more tags. These have got a rounded top, so we've got 2 in the pinky, and then these with the music on. There's 4 small things here, so you could definitely use those as journal cards, or to tear up for, you know, collage. You could definitely you know, do them that way, make them into pockets, all kinds of things. Then we've some different size pockets here. Got 2 corner pockets, and then, you know, a more regular one. And then I thought you could use that as a either bottom corner pocket or a top corner pocket. I've got these. You can see the fold line on here. So if you folded that in, it becomes like an expanding pocket. So I thought I'd give those a go in this kit. And leave things quite plain so you can decorate them yourself, but not plain enough that if you didn't want to jazz them up, they look, you know, fine as they are. These can be used as side pockets or flips, same as these, or you can attach, you know, you'd fold that there, stick that bit down, and you could then stick a piece of paper under that to do, you know, like tip-ins and things like that, or, you know, all kinds of things. You can make a big envelope kind of thing and have that as a flap over it. So all kinds of different things. Then we've got some fussy cuts again. You could definitely use that as a page if you wanted, or you can tear around these. So some cafe type pictures, and then these are big spoons, and then there's a fork on that one. Then we've got 2 little cafes here. Got that fork at the bottom of that one, so you could print, you know, those off 2 to a page and have them, you know, half the size. Got some more fussy cuts. Got cakes and clocks and some champagne, some glasses and more macaroons, more tea sets and cups, a little sugar bowl and a stack of plates there, and then a page of roses and you know, just the heads. So that is that kit. Like I say, it's available. It has been available a while, well, a week or so on Etsy and a few weeks on Patreon, and it's called Rose Tea. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back to crafting tomorrow. Until then, bye for now.